Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, I'm going to be making some restaurant style chicken tenders and fries. Believe me, if I had a restaurant or a shop, I would definitely sell these tenders and fries. So I'm making a spice mix. I added spicy girl, chipotle, chili powder, ground ginger, adobo, salt and pepper. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so don't you worry. I always got y'all. All you gotta do is click the tab below and it will fall down and you'll see the ingredients. So this is my chicken. Y'all know I'm gonna wash it up. I got this bag of chicken tenders out of Walmart. It was on sale, so I bought them. So I'm gonna wash it up and we're gonna season it, and I'll show you guys what I do next. Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna put my seasoning on my chicken tenders liberally. Season your chicken until you can't even see the chicken like that no more. Make sure you put about a good big heap and 2 or 3 tablespoons of spice on the chicken. It should look just like this. So now I'm going to work on the dipping sauce for the chicken tenders and fries. You basically can make anything you want to. Just use your favorite dipping sauce. This is just something easy, simple, effective, and delicious that I know that you guys will probably like. So I'm making it. So it's 1 part ketchup, half part honey and hot sauce. The honey and hot sauce should be equal parts, and the ketchup, of course, should be more. And it's just so good. It's easy, simple, and it's really delicious. It has a little kick, a little sweetness to it, not too sweet. And that's it. So I'm going to mix it up, put it to the side, and let it sit while we work on the rest of the meal. Next, I'm going to work on the flour mix. I'm going to add some cornstarch to my all-purpose flour like this. Now, the reason why I'm putting different spices from what I seasoned the chicken with is because it has that adobo chili powder in it, and it will burn if you have too much like chili powder and paprika in your flour. At the end, it'll burn. So I just added adobo, spicy girl, black pepper, garlic powder, and kept it pretty simple. Make sure you watch your salt too, you guys. Be careful with your salt. So this is the wet mix. It's gonna be 2 eggs, hot sauce, and milk. And this is pretty much it. You're gonna mix it up, and that's what we're going to dip it in and crust our tenders and get them nice and fried up. Alright, so you're going to dip your chicken tender or chicken, whatever piece of chicken you chose to use, in your flour, in the flour first. Next, into the wet mix. And then you're going to go right back into the flour mix and coat it really, really well. You want to pack it down and keep packing it down and dusting it off. And you're going to see like it develops like nooks and crannies. And that's going to give you like the crunchy bits. I'm doing it slower here because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. Believe me, it's not going to take me this long to get it done. But I had to do it slow so you guys could really see what I'm doing. So flour to egg to flour. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to put them to the side. Also, let them sit on a plate or something for like 5 minutes before you fry them. Alright, so now I'm just going to fry my chicken tenders down in here at 375 degrees. Yes, I'm using a pot because, you know, in Misha's good old ghetto fashion, here I am. You know, I don't have a deep fryer right now, y'all. And I'm old school. I don't have one. It is what it is. So these are the beautiful, perfect, crispy, delicious, well-seasoned chicken tenders. Look at them. Just look at them. Like, I can't make this up. It's not a gimmick. Look how delicious they look. And yes, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to put with this, which is fries. And I'm going to have to fry them up right here. Right here. Throw your fries. Get them ready to go. You don't have to use fries. You could do rice. You could do salad. You could do lettuce boats. You could do whatever you want. So now, of course, like I said, I'm doing restaurant style. So I'm going to pack it up just like the restaurant would. Have these little shot cup things from my previous recipe, and I'm gonna fill it up with the sauce, and that's it. So let me plate this up, show you guys what it looks like. only have one question. If I sell this, y'all gonna come buy it? Let me know. Comment below. Let me know if I start selling chicken tenders and fries. If y'all come into my store and come to get some chicken tenders and fries. I mean, it's a delicious, plate of food. It is what it is. It's fried chicken and fries. Who doesn't love that? But I want to thank y'all for coming to my channel, supporting my channel, and supporting me, period. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I missed yesterday, but I will be double uploading today, and I'll have it coming up later this evening. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, y'all.